everyone, welcome back to our channel. Rebecca's Doing the Cruise. So today we're going to be making some little rosebud table decor. So I thought this would make a really cute centerpiece. It's nearing Valentine's Day and I thought these would be cute even for like a wedding or a bridal shower or something like that. And so I decided to go ahead and make these, and everything you need to make this project is found at Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to cut the flowers from the stems. It's a little bit easier with wire cutters, but I couldn't find mine. So just cut them off long enough so that you have enough of a stem to secure them into the styrofoam balls without them falling out. So now I'm going to take my flowers, and I usually like to start right in the middle at the top, and then I follow the styrofoam ball in a straight line down the sides. You don't have to put them super close together, but close enough so the styrofoam isn't showing underneath. These are pretty full flowers, so it didn't take a whole lot to fill the styrofoam ball in. So now that I've got them down the sides, I start making almost like a X pattern down the sides, and I just continue to fill in the styrofoam ball until it's full. Now taking my candlestick, I put some diamond wrap down around the side and just glued that in place. And then I take my styrofoam ball with the flowers and I put it on to see if it's full enough. If it's not, I add some more flowers just to make sure it's full so that I don't see the styrofoam underneath. Then I take some hot glue and I put it on the top of the candlestick, and I wait just a few seconds for it to cool down a little bit because it will melt the styrofoam if you put it on too quickly. This will just hold it into place, and you can remove this later if you decide to change this out and use it for something different. And here's the finished project. And I also just used these Dollar Tree mirrors to decorate them. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video and this little table centerpiece. If you guys take this project, I'd love to see pictures of it in the comments, so go ahead and post those below. I'd love to see how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching.